Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use OpenPLC work with KinCony ESP32 board so that you can use LED diagram language in PLC field. So in this video I will use KinCony A8 board for example. Actually you can use any KinCony ESP32 board used by this way. Okay, let's look at first our PCB board. And you can see this is KinCony A8 board. It has 8 channel relay. So in this video, I will show you how to use OpenPLC, use a LED diagram language to drive the relay on and off. Okay, let's back to my computer. You can see this is OpenPLC that you can use the LED diagram language, so that will be popular used in industry level. So let's step by step I will show you how to use this OpenPLC to run in a hello world to turn on and turn off the relay. So you can see because our KinCony A8 board, you can see use a PCF8574 I2C chip. So 8 channel relay is connected with this chip. It's an external I2C chip. If you want to use the OpenPLC, you can control ESP32 pin directly. But if you have used this I2C chip, we need to create a block. So later I will show you how to create it. And the first we can open the software, OpenPLC, just this one. Because the OpenPLC software is free and open source. And you can see we can create a new project and the PLC project. And the next we can choose the name KC868-A8. Actually you can use other ESP32 board and choose the path to save the file. I can save at this file, this folder, select, and the next, and set the language. I want to use the ladder diagram. So the first one, and click create project, and this is the main window. So before I have said, because our KinCony board use this chip to extend digital output and digital input. So this video I will show you how to control relay. So we just use just to see how to use the digital output. And the first, so you can create a function block for KinCony board. You can click and function block, the name, I can import KC868-A8 and select a language. This one we can choose C++ because I will use Arduino code to OpenPLC and click create. And first we need to create a value because later I will show you why. The first you can add and alt 0 and the type Boolean. And because we have 8 channels, so we can click add item. So that will auto-generate the output. And total have 8 channels, so you can see from 0 to 10. And the next, we just replace this code. And you can see at here that have a GitHub. Thanks for the author have write the code for 8.8. So you can see this have a 8 board code for OpenPLC. So you can click and copy all this code. Actually, this is just an Arduino code for the relay. You can see this Arduino code. You can click, copy, and paste to here. Delete all code and click paste. So you can see paste at here. And now we can save the project, save file. Because we want to click main and this one, and you can see we can create a new run. Click, and the first because we want to create a run that for on off. So you can see, and a contact, and a T on and T off. This one you can see on and off, and the coin. This one, the coin, and double click and select negate because that means the normal close. And every time, how much time? Just 500 milliseconds. Okay, and this one is all off. It's just a regular off. T. Okay, and the rename for this one, just blink. And the coin will also rename for blink. Okay, and the next we can create a new run. And this time I can choose our defined this function block. Just try out at here. And each channel, because I want each channel, every channel will be on off, on off, on off, on off. So you can just use this blink. I can copy and paste every channel. Okay, so that means each channel will be run as this way. So I can save project, and the next we just want to download to ESP32 board. So you can see at here the device configuration and select your device. If you're using ESP32 board, you can choose this one. You can see just ESP32 board. If you are using KinCony ESP32 S3, so you can choose this S3 board at here. So this time my A8 board is made by ESP32. So I can click this one. And if you want only compare no hardware PCB board, you can click this one. But now I want to compare and download to ESP32. So I unclick these options. This one just click refresh. So that will be auto detect your COM port. So click. And the next, just click this one, you can see comply. And after comply, we'll download to ESP32 board. So just wait for a moment. If you're using the first time with this one, so that will be download many files from the internet. The time will be long. And make sure your internet is good. So that I have tested sometimes always feature that the internet problem. So after download all the files needed, so that will be comply, and after comply, that will be downloaded to ESP32. Okay, we can just wait for a moment. Okay, you can see now is ready to upload to the board. You can see this will be begin download to ESP32 writing, and after to 100%, that program code will be auto running. Let's wait to 100%. Okay. And now you can see this board. Every 500 milliseconds will be on off, on off. So this is we wanted. Okay. I can power off. So this time we have made the program code by the LED diagram, so that you can use LED diagram language to make some automation or make some project by yourself. Okay, thanks for watching.